Hello. Welcome to the session on File and Make Step Fit. Angular Fit. Angle, Surfaces, Part 2. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to mark off lines using vernier height gauge, file steps maintaining accuracy plus or minus 0.04 mm, mark 45-degree angle using vernier bevel protractor, file angle maintaining 1 degree accuracy, make step and angular fit, finish and deburr. Let us now look at the material and tools required for filing and making different fittings. Rough file, tri-square, mild steel plate, steel rule, bench vise, vernier caliper, machine oil, bevel protractor, height gauge, web chisel, drilling machine, ball peen hammer, measuring tape. Now, we will look at the sequence of operations, Part 2. Use a hacksaw blade and rough grade file to bring the material to the required dimensions of 70 × 50 × 9 mm while ensuring parallelism and perpendicularity. Applying marking media and marking. Use any colored chalk and apply it evenly over the surface of the workpiece. Set the height of the gauge as per the requirement and do the markings. Witness marking. Mark the part with the number 2 for identification and punch the witness marks. Drilling relief holes. Drill relief holes with a diameter of 3 mm as indicated in the job drawing. Chain drilling holes. Chain drill holes around the part 2 to facilitate the removal of excess material following the layout. Chipping excess material. Cut and remove the excess material using a web chisel and ball peen hammer. Filing excess material. Use a safe edge file of different grades to shape the steps to the desired size and angle of 45 degree. Checking the size. After filing, check the size of the part using a vernier caliper and verify the angle using a bevel gauge. Deburring. Gently file the edges of the finished part 1 and 2 for removing any minor burrs occurring. Alignment of the parts. Align Part 2 with Part 1, which is filed in the previous module as per the drawing to ensure a proper fit. Finishing the parts. Use a safe edge file to smooth and finish any rough edges or surfaces on both Part 1 and Part 2. Check for burrs and remove them using a file or a deburring tool. Applying oil for preservation. Apply a thin layer of machine oil to protect the finished parts from rusting or corrosion. Store the parts in a clean and dry environment for evaluation. Let's recap the key points discussed. Ensure the filing is done carefully and accurately to achieve the required dimensions. Align Part 2 with Part 1 as per the drawing. Apply a thin layer of machine oil or any suitable preservative to protect the finished parts from rusting or corrosion. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding of filing and making step fit, angular fit, angle, surfaces with a bevel gauge accuracy of 1 degree, Part 2. See you in the next session.